Halika dito, pumunta kayo dito, dali. Dito sa likod, dali, dali. Tapos kuhaan kayo dito, dali. Dito sa kayo nagpagpa. Dito. Kasi sa YouTube ko ito dali. This is Trixie. This is Trixie. This is Mayet. This is Tito ka. This is Raquel. And this is me. This is my birth month. And today is Trixie's birthday.
Oh,
Parehas pala tayo, ate. Birth month.
Yes, birth month natin ngayon. So, ito na tayo. Ito na labas natin. This is, ano nga ito? Bread pudding. This never gets old. This is really good. Key lime pie.
It's so cold in my room. I'm gonna put my jacket on or something.
You're cold.
Your hands are always cold. I wanna touch it.
I'm not cold. I'm not cold because I'm wearing jeans. I'm surprised you're cold. You're wearing a sweater.
I'm old. My hands are so cold. Are you
My,
cold?
well, my hands are cold.
She's always cold.
Oh.
Sarap.
See?
Ginawa mo yung ano, banana?
Here. Wala.
Oo, meron akong banana, meron akong chocolate brownie, at saka vanilla. Combination. And then, nilagyan ko ng caramel.
Gusto ko yung sauce ng bread pudding. Sa ice cream, ang sarap.
Ang sarap nito.
Ano pa kaya matry? Parang nag-burp na ako, parang may space na naman.
Dali, kuha ka na. Ulit, dali. Nandito pa tayo.